want to briefly show you around your dashboard and get you familiar with that so that you understand where to find things, pages, posts, your different plugins, users, things like that, before we actually jump in with the other, creating content. So you're going to want to go to your login page, which is your URL /wp-admin, and put in your information and hit login. There we go. So this is your dashboard. It basically gives you a nice overview of the content on your website, keeps you updated on things, and there's a lot of information that can be found here. You can see that you have the number of posts, and you can access your posts by clicking there, the number of pages, different categories you may have created for your posts. All that information is right there. You can also, over here on the left, you have this toolbar that allows you to edit posts or add new posts. The same is true with pages. You can edit or add new. You can also collapse all of these, make it a little more streamlined there on the side. Right here, you see recent comments. So if someone has commented on a blog post or a page or something like that, you can see the recent ones and you can view them. And then you can approve or spam or trash, those sorts of things, or read the whole thing, whatever you really want to do. I also briefly wanted to show you, and I picked this website because it has some plugins that might be useful. If they're on your website, this is how you'd access them. If they're not, then disregard the rest of this video. One right here, you can see the Google Analytics summary, which is nice. Just gives you a brief overview of the analytics regarding your website. Usually when you add plugins to a website such as this, they're going to show up over here on the left side. For example, this one, we added a plugin that's a calendar, and you have all of your editing options for the calendar are going to be over here in this toolbar. You want to click Manage Calendar, it brings it up. You can see all the former events, and then you can add a new event right here. Briefly, another thing that you can access from the dashboard is your widgets, and widgets are parts of the website that have been added just to make it a little more streamlined, a little more user-friendly, and that's all under Appearance right here. Sometimes it'll be collapsed, so if it's collapsed, like I'm doing to these right now, you just have to expand the Appearance box, click on Widgets, and you can see what widgets are active on your website and which widgets are inactive. And you can also, these are different places on the website, the footer, the home page, the contact page, those things. You can drag these over into these different categories to place them on your website. And then, as always with WordPress, once you actually publish something or change something, it's going to automatically update. You'll simply go to the website and check the page that you adjusted or just posted, and it'll be there immediately. So that is the dashboard, a basic rundown of what you can do, where you can find things. Next, we're going to take a look at how you create posts, and then we'll move on to pages and things like that.